And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
It was another warm day across northeast Wisconsin. Well, at least the first half of the day was warm. Now much colder weather is coming in, and for a change, it's going to actually feel like winter. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Highs tomorrow and Thursday will be mainly in the lower to mid-20s. After that, it's going to start to warm up again. In fact, by early next week, temperatures will get back up into the mid and upper 30s. Right now, after highs in the 30s to around 40 degrees during the late morning and early afternoon, we're now looking at quickly crashing temperatures through the 20s and in some cases the teens. And temperatures are dropping quickly tonight because we've got strong northwest winds gusting over 30 miles per hour in the valley. In Green Bay, it is also windy. The temperature is 28, but winds are gusting between 30 and 35 miles per hour, so that's making it feel colder out there. Wind chills are now mainly in the teens, although it does feel like 4 degrees in Anago, and our wind chills will be dropping area-wide throughout the night into tomorrow morning. We're also looking at a few snow flurries, not a big deal. There will be the chance for a snowflake or two as we head throughout the night into tomorrow morning. All of the cold air and gusty winds coming in behind a strong cold front that is really cooling things down across the upper Midwest. Temperatures this afternoon running 20 to 30 degrees colder compared to yesterday afternoon. So instead of highs in the 30s and 40s, temperatures were mainly in the teens across central and northern Minnesota, and that colder weather will overspread Wisconsin as we head into tomorrow. Something we've seen very little of so far this winter. High temperatures have been above normal 27 of the last 28 days. Tomorrow, it's going to be a close call. The normal high is 24. I'm forecasting highs to range from the upper teens to the mid-20s across the area. But when you factor in that gusty northwest wind, it's going to feel much colder tomorrow morning as you head out the door. Expect wind chills to be in the single digits above and below zero. Besides that, quiet weather is expected tomorrow with sunshine and clouds mixing together. Tomorrow night, we'll see a mixture of clouds and stars. And then on Thursday, more of the same, sunshine mixing with clouds. Really, the quiet weather will continue for quite some time. In fact, if you're looking for the next significant snowfall, you're going to have to keep on looking. As we head through the next week, really not much is in the forecast. A little system may move through on Saturday, producing some minor accumulations, but that's it. And then we turn our attention to another batch of warm air coming in for next week. Temperatures are expected to be above to much above normal once again. So tonight, windy and colder. A few flurries are likely. Lows will be in the lower to mid-teens. Wind chills will be dropping to around zero. Tomorrow, windy and colder. Highs will be in the lower half of the 20s. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 23. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to the Heart of the Valley Food Pantry. And we did that today. I forecast 38. The actual high temperature was 39, which means I've now hit 52 of the last 52 3-degree guarantee forecasts. As we move into Thursday, look for sun and clouds and mid-20s. Mostly cloudy on Friday, a high temperature right around 30. Then as the warmer air begins to push into Wisconsin, we'll have the chance for some patchy light snow or a few flurries on Saturday. Some minor accumulations are possible. Sun and clouds on Sunday, lower 30s, and then turning even warmer for Monday and Tuesday with highs getting back up into the 30s. And yes, it looks like we will see some 40s once again as we head towards the middle of next week.
I would call it the January thaw, but this is kind of par for the course for this January, it
seems.
The
entire month. I mean, we're going to have highs in the lower to mid-20s tomorrow. That's where we should be for this time of year.
Right.
Yeah, today was a harsh return to our winter reality, I'd say, with that wind especially.
Yeah, and wait till tomorrow morning when you head out the door to work and school.
Ooh, great news.
Can't wait.
All right, Cameron, thanks so much. Well, coming up here, a preview of our Project Drive.